Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful guitar shaped gift box or chocolate box with the Transfer Me decoration, and the flowers which I have added on the box are also made with Transfer Me. Yes, these flowers are also made with Transfer Me sheets, and you can just take out the lid like this to put your gifts or chocolates inside the box, and again you can just put your lid. So let's get started. For this we need embossing pad, border punch machine, ball tool, groove golf tool, any varnish, golden pearls, half cut pearl, scissor, liquid glue, red color sketch pen, yellow wired pollens, pattern paper, white color sheet, golden color sheet, and Transfer Me sheets. So I am using flower pattern 1 and La Fleur Transfer Me sheets. So first I am taking this flower pattern 1 Transfer Me, in which you will get this beautiful floral design in red color flowers in different sizes. So I am going to use these patterns to create my flower. The benefit of using Transfer Me floral designs to create your 3D flowers is that you don't need to color your flowers, you don't need to stamp your flowers, and you don't need any dyes to create your flowers. Just a Transfer Me sheet, water and scissor, that's it. So I have already fussy cut these three sizes from my Transfer Me, and I am going to transfer these flowers first on white color sheet so that we can create our texture. So I'm just peeling out the liner, putting it on my white paper and applying water using my brush over this. I'm using 120 GSM floral oriental paper to create the base of flower. You need to wet each and every part properly using water, and the Transfer Me sheet will get automatically peeled like this. And see how the flowers are looking super gorgeous and super shiny. Allow it to dry. It's dry now. Before start working on this, I am taking this Cadence acrylic varnish, and I will apply this varnish on my flowers just to protect it from any embossing tool, because I think if you don't use this, your flower might be get cracked when you will shape it using groove golf tool or ball tool. So just to seal everything, I am applying this varnish. You can also use Mod Podge or decoupage glue to protect it. Allow it to dry completely for some time. So it's dried. Now I am going to fussy cut each flower using my scissor. So this is done. Now I will cut the petal towards the center. So I'm just dividing each petal like this so that we can easily shape the petals. I'm just following the design which is already printed. and then I will shape each petal and I'm curving the corners. Like this. In the same way I have cut the other flowers. Now from the back side I'm coloring it using red sketch pen because I don't want to look my flowers white from back side. So I'm just coloring it using sketch pen. You don't need archival inks, you don't need distress inks, nothing. Just use any watercolor or acrylic color or sketch pen, anything which you have. Now I'm sprinkling some water from back side, tapping the excess water, and it's ready to emboss. So taking my embossing pad and small size groove golf tool, and from back side I'm shaping each flower. Then just rotate your flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. And then I will layer these flowers. Then add little glue in the center and I am adding golden color micro bead pearls. And my flower is ready. In the same way I have created some more flowers in different sizes. Then I will show you how to create these filler flowers. For this I am taking this small size flower which is given in the set. So I have already fussy cut it and pasted on my floral oriental paper, applied varnish and colored it from backside using red sketch pen, just like we did before. Now I'm just shaping this flower as well using groove golf tool, pricking the center, and then I'm inserting yellow color wired pollen through this. Just add little glue and secure it. In the same way I have created some more filler flowers. Now here I have created this guitar shaped mount board piece. I have given the template of this design in description box, you can download from there. And now the height of this shape is approx 18 centimeter and width is 12 centimeters. Then I am taking this white color sheet which is 60 by 10 centimeters and I have folded from top and bottom on 2 centimeters. So first I have creased it and now I am folding it. Then I am cutting small fringes using my scissor on this folded part. In the same way complete it. So it's completed. Now just add little glue and start adhering it to the base of the guitar design. So it's done. In the same way, I have folded the upper part and created the fringes on 2 cm. Then I am adding one pattern paper inside the box. Then I have created one more guitar shape. The base is same as this, just I have extended the stick, which is 17 by 4 cm. So I have cut the whole piece in one mount board and added the 7 cm diameter in the center. Now I am going to cut this circle using my paper cutter. Like this. I have covered this shape also with pattern paper, and now I'm going to attach this on top of our box. So just add glue on this folded part and connect your lid. Hold it for some time. Now here I have firstly cut some shapes from other set, which is called La Fleur, and you will get the similar kind of flowers in this set. So I have firstly cut some designs, and I am going to put this on the sides of our box. So just remove the liner again and stick it with the box. Then apply water using brush and just peel it off. Like this. Very easy. Just securing it using brush. In the same way I will attach the remaining parts. Now I'm taking this circular bottle and using pink color 10 mm strip I am making a ring by wrapping it around this bottle. Like this. Now take out this ring from bottle, and this ring should go easily inside this circle. So I have already prepared this ring by adding total 5 strips, and it is going through this circle easily. And now I'm putting one golden ring on top of this. I have added one OHP sheet circle on this so that we can easily see from top of the box. So I am connecting the ring with the lid. it's ready to go to close our box like this. It fixed properly. Now here I have decorated the top and the bottom using punched border. I have used golden color mirror cardstock to cut this border. And now it's time to decorate our box by putting these handmade flowers. I have added this rectangular design on back and decorated with punched border. And now I'm putting my flowers and some green color leaves. Like this. Then I am adding some white color half cut pearls on the edge of the guitar. Like this. So the beautiful guitar shaped box with the Transfer Me decoration and flowers is ready. You can just put any chocolates or any gift inside the box and it will be the unique idea if you give it to anyone. And it's easy to operate as well. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.